Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris, where I've decided that we're going to nip a little problem in the bud, or more like the sporing or appendage thing. I don't know. Anyway, here we have the Aztecs. We only have one planet with Aztecs on them. The rest are actually that other, what are they called? I don't remember what they're called, but they're sort of a reptile thing. But these guys are decadent. I don't want them to be decadent, so I'm willing to spend 990 society research to make them no longer decadent, and then they will work better. Yeah, it'll be great.
Situation log updated.
Okay. Modify the Aztec species. Oh, what? Can we not? We have our own Aztec. We don't have border access to this project. Well, crap. Maybe we can't do that. Yeah, we can't do that. It's not, that's weird. I didn't realize that was like a thing. I didn't realize that's how they did it. Okay, well, we're not gonna do it. As long as there's nothing that's on hold, right? No, okay, we're good. Well, shoot, I misread that. It turns out our lovely allies, the Teutons, decided to expand out into this region, which actually cut off a planet that I had planned on taking, and nearly is going to cut off a desert world here. So I queued up another desert ship to come out here and do this. We also have another desert place that we're probably going to do there. No, okay, I have 3 desert world ships queued up. One for here, one for here, and one for here. That's the plan at this point. Yeah, okay. Well, let's go with that. I did queue up quite a few. Well, I queued up a battleship, and then I queued up another level 6 starbase way over here. No one's ever gonna get to this because right at this point we only had one place that could do battleships, and then I queued up a few other. Well, I queued up a lot of stuff in Venezia, so there's already the colony ship. We're gonna upgrade some fleets because I went through and changed my ship designs to include the latest and greatest in lasers, among other things. Also, turns out a lot of folks didn't have the highest level of sensors. That just won't stand. So we fixed that, upgrading some stuff, and then yeah, queued up some destroyers. It's time for some destroyers. Let's move forward. What do we got? What? The Teutonic Order joined the Unholy Axis. Wait, what? Wait a minute. Hang on. Oh. No, that's not what happened. That is not what happened. That's not what happened. I'll tell you what happened. The Byzantine Republic joined the Unholy Axis. That's what happened. That's a big deal. That's right, we didn't have to vote for it because they talked to the president. Okay, so that's not at all what happened. The Teutonic Order invited, or the Byzantine Republic talked to the Teutonic Order, and now we have the Unholy. Oh man, the Byzantine Republic is on our side. Hang on. Hang on. They have superior fleet power. This is interesting. If we can fight our way, actually there's very little we have to do. We can probably finish off Finland. Hang on. Oh, they're allied with the Aztecs. Finland is allied with the Aztecs. When did that happen? Okay, that's going to be an interesting one. Hey, how are the Koreans doing? It's just you and the Ottomans. Yeah, you're on your own, buddy. Because the Ottomans can't even get through the Aztecs. I doubt they have border access. So all we have to do... So one of my concerns was, how am I even going to access these guys? Because I want their ring world. Well, my friends, if I can take whatever it takes I'll finish this off, take this world, finish off Finland, and then I have access through the Byzantines. And then we can get to the Grolfurp Ascendancy. And then we get to the Ring World. Interesting. Okay, that changes everything. For one thing, we're definitely the biggest baddest group on the block. So Teutons, Big Blue Blob, Iroquois, us, and then the Byzantines. And if we can cut a swath through here, then we have access all the way through. That's gonna be nice. Oh, that's gonna be good. Maybe we win by, you know, taking everybody out. Who knows? Actually, I doubt that. We would need some really, really aggressive fleet mates or whatever. Yeah, armies take a while to raise, don't they? Actually, hang on. No, you're all Venetian. I don't want Venetian. Oh no, you're not all Venetian. Armies. Recruit. Oh, I don't have the Psionic Army Russian. What do you have going for you? Oh, you're resilient. You have garrison health. Never mind. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. I just want some smart, or some strong folks. Do I have anybody else who's strong in my territory? I'll have to take a look at that. Raise up some more psionic armies. That's interesting. The Byzantines are part of our club now. That's really interesting. So I think we know the names of every system now. Not quite.
Colony established.
Hang on. Real quick question. Let's check one more time to see if Sol exists. Sol. Nope. Earth? Nope. Okay, cool. So Sol and Earth are not here. Just so you know. Okay. Campaigning for a new president. Please tell me... Okay, orbital researchers. Sweet. Off-world miner. Repatriator. Nope. Yeah, a bunch of repatriators. Nope, not gonna be you guys. Oh yes, Plateau. Wait, where are you? No, really, where are you? Could you take me to it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, okay, never mind. I'd already handed them off. I need more colony ships. Oh no. Korean homelanders have done some bad things. Actually, where would I put colony ships? If I had colony ships available, where would I stick one? Well, one would go there. Let's go there. I bet you I could stick one there. And possibly here. Do we have access? Yeah, see, I think you can go through their territory along one of these. Yeah, it's an Arctic world. Very interesting. We'll deal with this area in at a different time, I think. Construction ship. What do we got? Anything good that you can do for me? Not really. Not yet. Okay. Oh man, Byzantines. That's going to be interesting. Our project to modify the traits of the Aztec has failed. Yeah, well. Okay, well, that's cool. I didn't realize it was just... You'd have to actually modify their homeworld? It seemed a little weird. $2306. What do we got? $2307. $325. Okay. We've got about a year.
Construction complete.
Thank you. Okay. Another destroyed building. Or damaged
Ships
building, actually.
upgraded.
And ships upgraded. Severio Orsiolo has been elected High Priest. Yeah, we didn't finish that one mandate. Severio Orsiolo has been elected as High Priest of the Serene Republic of Venice. Let's see what he has to say. He is a spaceport and spaceport module guy. Leader lifespan plus 25 years. Interesting. What is your minor mandate? All right. Let's get on it. Minor mandate. It's not just some little bitty mandate. It's a minor mandate. Okay. Build mining stations. Yeah, we're gonna finish this for sure. You know what the annoying part about this this frontier outpost? It means that this is their mining station. That's too bad. That's too bad. Hey, Fifth Fleet. Oh, hey, hang on. How long are you gonna be? Venezia. Spaceport. Oh, it's only 21 days. Okay. I think we have a colony ship that's not doing anything. Colony ship. Come down here. Ocean world. Colonized planet. Right there. Alright, and then when is the Toledo colony ship done? That's gonna be a while. The Bronze Age aliens of Tlugadai have advanced sufficiently in their use of metallurgy to be considered an Iron Age civilization. The tools and weapons they make use of are becoming more effective, and the architecture of their cities has become more elaborate. Their civilization has now spread to cover most of the planet, and some of their large cities are home to nearly 1 million individuals. Wow. Iron Age. Where is this? Glugdai. Where is this? Is this Dur? Yeah, Dur. That's ours, right? Yeah, it's ours. Oh wow, this is taking forever. Yep. Yeah, okay, well. It's just a progress report, it looks like.
Ships upgraded.
Excellent. Hey guys, group up. What do we got? Not quite 10,000 in that. That's too bad. Rental system. Who's gonna be our first victim? I think it's the Koreans. Oh, there's only 2 armies in this. There's only 2 armies. Not yet ready for prime time. It's okay, we can get it started. Fleet, come on over here. Yeah, come on over here.
Construction complete. System survey complete. System survey complete.
Hang on. I told you to go to level 6, did I not? I believe I did. Ooh, I cannot yet afford a heavy hitter, but I will in about a month. There we go. Let's get a heavy hitter. Or is that what we're building here? We're building a heavy hitter there too. You know what? 2 of them are going to be fine. We have enough point defense. It's fine. Yeah, boy. Anything interesting up here? Yeah. What's that?
Construction complete.
Gaia world. Oh, it's another holy Gaia world. Uh-huh. Yep. Oh, it's size 25.
Colony established.
Oh, yeah. Colony ship. Where are you? What? Hang on. Oh, he got it first. No. Oh, well. Oh, well. What are you gonna do, right? Oh, man. First off, where was that other colony that just finished? Chioggia. In the Biva something. Bivam. Where's this? That's there. Where's there? Oh, it's there. Okay. Yeah, and I already handed that off. Okay, good. Oh, well. Colony ship. Where can you go? It's a continental world. I mean, it's not ideal, but it would use you. It would put you to some use. We could always pick this one up. It's an Arctic. It's actually fairly close to us. So much. I was gonna call it the troll sector, actually. That's what I was gonna do. That's too bad. Oh well. Hang on, actually. There's an ocean world there. There's a continental world there. Yeah. Come down here. And enter orbit. Enter orbit. Okay. Where else should my colonies end up? Ooh. Yeah, there's a desert world. It's really just a lot of desert worlds that I want. Toledo. How many more of these can you build? Colony ship. These guys. Yeah. Yeah, we only have 612. I only have 612 minerals. That's too bad. Oh well. Oh well. What are you gonna do, right? Other than take stuff from the Habsburgs. Imagine that, Venice and the Habsburgs just knocking along, right? Okay, yeah, I think that's what's gonna happen. This colony ship will go there. We'll be fine. We'll be fine. We're about to go take our frustrations out on the Koreans. It's okay. Oh, what are you doing? Come
System
here.
survey complete.
Hang on. What? Some folks have leveled up. Okay, good. Wait, what? Is this ours? That's interesting. It's called ours. Oh, it says it lies within Serene Republic of Venice space. Interesting. That's interesting graphics issue there. Oh, you know where else I'm gonna build me a colony ship? You know where else? Chideka. Spaceport. Colony ship. Get me... Fanatic, Materialist, Xenophile? I think that's what it's gonna have to be. Polish. Get me actually more than one. Give me two, in fact. Two is quite clearly more than one. It's time for the tundras to begin. Actually, you know what? Only one of those. Because I'm going to modify them first. So get the one settled. That's what we're going to do. We're going to get the one settled, we're going to modify them, and then we're going to build stuff from there. I'll have to build a spaceport first, but that's good. Colony ship. Did you already make it down there? Oh no, hey, hang on. Okay, colony ship, come down. Actually, this one's probably more important. Colonize this. Yeesh, that's a horrible spot. Go there. That's horrible. That's absolutely pathetic. Wow. Lazy colony ships are the worst. Just the worst. Oh yeah.
System survey complete.
One of our one of our... Yeah, heavy hitter class. 68 days away. Not bad. What are you... What? Inactive buildings. What? Oh yeah, somebody moved out. That's okay. Not much you can do about that. Not much you can do about that. Except make for nicer places. Make people happier, right? We're making
System
400...
survey
Oh,
complete.
it was 420 physics research, but it's not anymore. And we're almost at our cap for energy. Crazy, right? Anything interesting up here? Nothing amazing. Yelbarasta. Sweet. No, that's not even... we haven't even finished surveying that yet. Oops. The Republican British colonies are no longer sending us an embassy. Okay. That's okay.
Research complete.
Ooh, what do we got? Oh, carrier wings. I'm going to play with that a little bit. And then... defense stations, no. I think it may be time for the Stormfire autocannon. That is going to take forever. That's 100 months. Nope. Devastator torpedoes? That's 40 months. That's something. Antimatter missiles? 72 months. The impulse thruster is 72 months. Antimatter missiles is 28. It's because we have so many planets and so many people. Wow, kids. Devastator torpedoes. No. Yeah. Antimatter missiles. It's quick. It's relatively useful. We'll make use of it. And what was the thing that just finished, actually? Shoot, I forgot. Oh, it was carrier stuff. I will play with that over the break. That's for sure. Before the war. Of course, we probably won't build the proper
complete.
ships to deal with it, but that's okay. Spaceport in Venezia has done some stuff. Sweet! Additional mining stations have been
Construction
constructed.
complete.
Excellent. Venezia, what'd you do? Oh, excellent. Got some more destroyers. Good, good, good. Come down here. Your fleet power is pathetic. Okay. Huh. Okay. While an asteroid falling on our planet can be nerve-wracking, Leto has been rather fortunate. No harm has befallen the colony. We must find a way to stop this. I don't think that's the right text for that. We must find a way to stop this. Special project, asteroid defense system. I'm not even sure which Leto it is. We actually have two Letos. Or get our people will endure this harsh environment. Recent impact modifier added for 12 months, giving the following effects: -5 happiness and +4 minerals. You know what? You guys are on your own. I'm not even sure which Leto it is. Let's check. Is it these guys? No, it's not these guys. The other one. Xenophile, hey. How you guys feeling right now? You're just a little less happy. Recent impact. Recent impact, happiness -5, and then afterwards you'll get some extra minerals. That's fine. Now, something just happened over here. Oh no. No, not really. Not too much. Just a little bit of growth. Oh, that's what it was. The Iroquois finished annexing these guys. When are we going to finish annexing? When are we going to be done with you? When are we going to be done? Oh, hey, hang on. Our time as president is about to be a thing. 40, 50, 60, 70, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. There we go. That's us. First day as president. And we're definitely going to just kill the Koreans. What? Oh. We have a pact for a little bit. Or we have a truce until when? 2313? Are we even going to be... Oh, man. Oh, man. I didn't realize this. How long's a truce in this game? Okay. Well, looks like it's going to be the Habsburgs. Actually, hang on. Yeah, okay. Looks like it's going to be the Habsburgs. Yeah, I'll play with war options with the Habsburgs and with the Aztecs. Can I even declare war on the Aztecs? No! Truce of Unholy Alliance, Aztec. Okay, sweet. Because what that means is we can actually declare war on, say, the Ulm and get at the Aztecs. It's going to be great. It's going to be great. So I'm going to play with all of the things that we can possibly do in terms of the wars we can fight and the stuff we can get. It's mostly what we can pick up that I'm really, really interested in. That's what's going on there. So that's the stuff. We're about to start attacking folks. We're about to get some new territory. We're gonna have to make sure all our fleets end up at the right spot. I'm going to probably do a little bit of upgrade. No upgrades. I'm gonna design like a couple of carriers. Yeah, that is the plan. Well, you know what? The next episode's gonna be great. We're gonna start it off with a bang. It's gonna be fun. I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do look forward to seeing you next time.